In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with ChatGPT, step by step. This guide is perfect for those looking to streamline their workflows by leveraging the power of automation through these two incredible tools. Let's dive right in and get your Notion working harmoniously with ChatGPT using Zapier. First, what you'll need to do is open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. If you haven't already, take a moment to sign up for a free account or log into your existing account. Zapier is a versatile automation platform that allows different apps to communicate with each other, creating what's called zaps to automate workflows. Once you're all set up on Zapier, you'll want to click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. You'll define the trigger and action for your zap. In this case, the trigger will be an event in Notion, and the action will be something performed by ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and set this up. Now that you're in the zap creation workflow, set Notion as your trigger. This means you're instructing Zapier on which action should kick off your automation. In the search bar, type in Notion and select it. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a specific trigger event. You can select either new database item or updated database item, depending on what best suits your needs. For instance, if you want the automation to trigger whenever a new entry is added to a database, choose new database item. The next step is to connect your Notion account. Zapier will guide you through this connection process. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Notion data. Once connected, select the specific page or database you wish to monitor. Great. Now it's time to set ChatGPT as the action. Once again, using the search bar, type OpenAI and select it from the list. You'll have the option to choose either Send Prompt or Create Completion. This choice will depend on what you intend to accomplish with your automation. Most commonly, you might use the Send Prompt action to instruct ChatGPT to process data or generate a response based on your Notion inputs. After choosing the action, you'll need to connect your OpenAI account. Be sure to have your API key ready to establish this connection securely. At this point, you'll set up the specific prompt that ChatGPT should follow. Here, you can decide how data from Notion, like page content or task details, will be used to generate responses. Finally, we arrive at testing your Zap. This crucial step ensures everything is functioning smoothly between Notion and ChatGPT. Try adding or updating an entry in Notion, then check whether ChatGPT receives it, processes it as expected, and updates the relevant entries in Notion accordingly. If everything works as intended, you've successfully set up your automation, and there you have it, a seamless integration between Notion and ChatGPT using Zapier. By setting this up, you unlock a new world of productivity and efficiency. I hope you found this guide helpful and encouraging as you automate your everyday tasks. Thanks for watching and happy automating.